So last time we saw there was some issue with the scheduler service, right? The problem was that I just had to make a new build, a fresh build for the scheduler service and push it to Docker Hub and update it my on the Kubernetes on my local server, and it fixed the issue. So as you can see, all okay, all the the scheduler service is running, and let me fetch the logs. And it is able to schedule after every 15 minutes. So now what we're going to take a look at is deploying the user service along with the Nginx. And if I go to the user service, so as we saw earlier, I just made a copy of the config so that one which is for the dev, the other is for deploying on the Kubernetes. So let me update the URL and other options the way we saw in the scheduler service. So let me just go to the scheduler service, and the properties are similar. So I'll be just taking them from the scheduler service itself. This is okay. The cluster name would be the cluster name, and the port would be this. Min IO endpoint. Okay. And the access key would be just access underscore key, and this would be the secret key. And let me just this works. Okay, now we have to create the deployment YAML file. I'll just take it from here and paste it in here. All right, cancel. Now instead of scheduler service, we just have to specify the user service. Okay, so the service port that we will be opening up is, if I take a look at the YAML file, it's 10,002, and there's no management port that I have put into the user service. So let me do that first. Okay, got this, and one over here. Let me run it on the local machine first. The This Hazelcast is connected to 212 and this is 206. All right. Let me check the user information. Got user service, load API. Okay, so the post works, the get works, and we also need the actuator. So if I go in the user service and I want it to be running on 112 port 10,012, and also over here it'll be 10,012. All right, this works. Now if I go to, I'll just get 10,012 with actuator. Okay, this works as well. All right, and this needs to be updated in the deployment YAML file. So I want the user service with the user service, and this will be user service deployment. The main service port, and this will be the actuator port. Okay, 10,012. So if I go to the, this will be the deployment name. All right, this will be the user service. Also, one important point is that we need to build and push the user service image to Docker Hub. So that is pending. So you got this, and the name would be the user service. The SVC port, that is this, and one this. Resources, image pull policy, blah blah blah, and this is the user service config. It'll be the same name that I'll be passing it over here. Okay, the Hazelcast is running on 212. Hazel cluster, and this is good. Good. And we also need to put the min IO. So if I go in here, split right, and deploy.yaml. Min IO endpoint will be this, and the access key. Secret key. Password. Now let's see if we can deploy this. Ten thousand into 10,012. All right, copy this and go to the server. User service and user service.yaml. This looks good. Let me just save it. And how much is the replica? We have specified 2 replicas for this. So to save it and exit, let me apply it. This will be user service.yaml. Oh, wait. I need to push user service. Let me delete this first. Okay. If I go to the post and scheduler, I don't want scheduler, I want user service. Oh, wait. Does it have the Maven jib?